Hi, I'm Dale Larman, a professional cookery instructor here at William Angliss, a specialty centre for foods, hospitality and tourism education in Melbourne. Today we're going to talk about how to clean your deep fryer so the oil has a longer life and delivers a premium quality fry. Alright, now we're going to talk about keeping our oil clean. It's really important during service to skim the oil regularly. You need to skim it to get rid of all of these particles of carbonised food. If they fall into the deep fryer, they're going to actually get on your product. And then at the end of service, we're going to need to clean our fryer thoroughly. To make sure your oil's clean, you're going to need to filter the oil. To filter the oil properly, you'll need a filtering system. Some fryers come with a built-in filtering system. There are portable filtering systems. Also, you can use a conical strainer with some filter paper. When the fry is cold, or the oil's cold, you can put it through the filter paper, and then when the fry's been cleaned, you can pour the oil back into the fryer. Whichever way you decide to filter, you'll need to filter every day, and in really busy establishments, you might have to filter after every service. If you find any gum deposits around your fryer or the basket, it's really important to move them straight away. If you don't, it can cause oxidisation, and it can also be really stubborn to remove if you leave it. Alright, this oil has now reached the end of its life, so we're going to need to remove the oil and clean the deep fryer. So we need to remember that we must have the deep fryer cold, so it's important that it's been turned off and it's cold. We're going to remove the baskets. Take away the element. And remember to dispose of your oil responsibly. Right, I've just given this a really good wash with hot water and detergent and a really good rinse. And I've wiped it out with paper towel to make sure it's really dry. It's really important that you rinse out any detergent. If you don't, that'll cause foaming of your oil, which will cause deterioration and you get less life out of your oil. And now we're ready to fill up our fryer with fresh Formula 40. And we'll be ready to cook again. For more tips on keeping your fryer clean, visit the website peerlessfoods.com.au.